food यात्रीज।
So as much as I would have loved to tell you कि हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, हमें भी नहीं पता हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं।
Actually हमारी गोवा की ट्रिप हो गई कैंसिल, like 8 out of 10 गोवा ट्रिप्स, our trip was also cancelled on the last moment। पर अब हम लोग निकल पड़े थे, तो हमने कहा यार आज तो जाना है कहाँ ना कहाँ, and we have like around 3-4 days in hand, so we are trying to explore say around 300-400 kilometers away from Mumbai। देखते हैं क्या जगहें हैं, कहाँ जा सकते हैं।
So अभी तक का हमारा ये प्लान है, फर्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन इज गोइंग टू बी पंचगनी महाबलेश्वर, बिकॉज इट्स 11:30 राइट नाउ एंड आई थिंक दैट इज डूएबल। तब तक अच्छे से पहुंच जाएंगे, वी विल स्टिल हैव इनफ टाइम टू एक्सप्लोर द प्लेस, एंड ऑब्वियसली यू गाइस विल बी कमिंग विद अस एंड वी विल बी शोइंग यू ऑल द प्लेसेस दैट वी ईट एट, द प्लेसेस वी स्टे एट, स्ट्रीट फूड, रेस्टोरेंट फूड, क्या खाएंगे, कहाँ जाएंगे, एवरीथिंग फॉर यू।
So let's get started। So our first destination on our way to Mahabaleshwar is Shivneri Misal। चलो देखते हैं क्या है यहाँ पे।
So our first stop on our road trip is at Shivneri Misal, which is on the Satara highway, and they have all kinds of misal. What I have over here is the special misal thali, and it comes with your bundi raita, the tari that goes on the misal, and some farsan, dahi, the sprouts, moong sprouts, some special chutney, तीखा लग रहा है देखने से, कांदा एंड नींबू तो हैज टू बी देयर, 1 गुलाब जामुन एंड पाव। ये मिसल खा के ना, एक और जगह मिसल मैंने कहा था हाउस ऑफ मिसल, उस पर भी मेरे वीडियो, डू चेक दैट वीडियो, आई लिंक इट समवेयर ओवर हियर।
The second interesting thing which we found here, or rather more interesting than the misal, was this bhel। So being a Bombay वाला, अपने को जहाँ भी भेल दिखती है, we always do a stop there, so to taste and find out कि बॉम्बे से अच्छी भेल भी कोई बना सकता है। खैर, बॉम्बे की भेल अपनी जगह। If you look at this भेल, there is kurmara, there is chivra, they have also given this लाल लहसुन की चटनी along with nimbu and pyaz, and there is also pulses inside it, so definitely healthier। There is no chutney in this, but the chivra it seems is on a little bit of a sweeter side, that lal mirchi balances it। And overall it is a new thing which we have eaten, especially outside Mumbai, enjoying a bhel which has got localized taste adds a lot to this trip। So guys, finally हम लोग हमारे पहले डेस्टिनेशन पहुंच गए हैं, जो है पंचगनी।
एंड बिहाइंड अस इज द भीलार वाटरफॉल, और अभी यहाँ से थोड़ा ही आगे जाके वी आर स्टॉपिंग एट महाबलेश्वर, बिकॉज दैट्स द ओनली होटल वी कुड फाइंड एट द लास्ट मिनट। सो या वील बी एक्सप्लोरिंग महाबलेश्वर एंड पंचगनी एंड टू बी अपडेटेड। Quite an adventurous one, because when we started from Mumbai at around 11:30 in the morning, हमारा journey was supposed to be just 5.5 hours, and here we are now in a hotel at 7:30 in the evening।
नहीं, तो जो हम लोग की फर्स्ट चॉइस थी, the first Airbnb which we chose which was right in the middle of the Mahabaleshwar market. That turned out to be a disaster.
Yeah.
हम लोग तो वहाँ पे 5 मिनट भी नहीं बैठ पाए. But anyway, it took us an hour to negotiate to get our refund. But anyway, this is the hotel where she had stayed earlier.
Yeah, so this is in Panchgani. We drove all the way back to Panchgani. This is Mount Bliss Hotel. It's on the road that connects Panchgani and Mahabaleshwar. And it's a pretty decent sized hotel. It has a swimming pool. Not a very fancy one, but I think it serves our purpose.
And it's very neat and clean.
Yeah.
So अभी बस डिनर की तैयारी, अब कुछ और करने का ताकत बचा नहीं है. And we'll take you through Panchgani and Mahabaleshwar tomorrow morning. So see you guys.
Good morning, food yatris. So we are just starting our day 2 of the trip, and currently we are in Panchgani.
So Panchgani के अंदर there are a lot of these old Parsi restaurants. So we are visiting Rustam Strawberry Inn, which is on your way from Panchgani to Mahabaleshwar. It's very close to Panchgani main market.
हाँ, देखते हैं आज कौन सा अच्छा पारसी डिश मिलता है. Whether we get good akuri या कीमो, whatever it is. So come along with us. First thing that I'm trying at Rustam's Inn is this keemo with egg. So one interesting thing about Parsi dishes is it's predominantly egg based. So you will find egg in a lot of varieties in a lot of dishes. So this is your keema, which as you can see is not the regular machine one. It is actually chopped with hands. And what they do is they grease the pan that the keema is made in. So it's not very oily, as you can see. It's not very oily, just cooked in a greased pan. And after the keema is done, they put the eggs, poach it right in the keema, so the egg also has the keema flavor. So let's dig in and see how it is. Very mildly spiced. You can actually taste the flavor, like distinct flavor of the keema and the egg. Next, what I have here is the patties. Now this patties, as you can see, has a filling of keema. You can either opt for chicken keema or mutton keema. Then you have a cover of mashed potatoes, which is then dipped in egg and deep fried. So this is traditionally a Sunday dish that Parsis enjoy with their rice and curry, but I think breakfast maybe chal jayega. Next, what we have here is the ham sandwich. Very light, very satisfying. A cold coffee to chahiye. So another interesting thing about this interesting place is the coffee here is made from the cows that these people own. So the milk is unadulterated, very pure, and you can actually taste that. It's so fresh. I have to introduce you to the man behind this amazing establishment, which is Mr. Meenu Seth.
Thank you for the compliment. One basic thing that we Parsis believe in is hygiene, good hygiene. Our kitchen is now more or less totally stainless steel, so there's no cockroaches, no this, that. We have chimneys with the exhaust fans. We have a tandoor with the chimney and exhaust fan. We spend all the money that we earn back into the establishment. Everything is pumped back inside. Now we got these deep fryers, we got these all this gas equipment, but they're all stainless steel. We have all the masala packs put into the stainless steel dish with the cover on. And I will say, and another most important thing is from the start till now, we only use one type of cooking. And many a times now with this, we get home when we make our own ghee, actually for ourselves. But when sometimes we make these Mughlai dishes or something, we use that ghee to give it a better taste.
So दोस्तों अभी हम लोग है ना पंचगनी के एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर स्पॉट पर हैं जिसको इन लोग टेबल लैंड बोलते हैं. So this is a very wide area. There are a lot of horse carts. There is a lot of horses where you can have horse rides. The kids can roam around. There is a lot of view which you get surrounding all these places. Also around there, they say that there is a small cave for which you have to walk down, and it is said that the Pandavas were hidden there for some time of their exile period. But this place, in this weather, we are in the beginning of the winter season, but if you'll come during the winter season, this place will be one of the places where you'll enjoy the most in Panchgani.
We're at Tableland. We didn't take any guide or horses. We thought कि हम लोग खुद से explore करते हैं. We went to the cave which is said यहाँ पे the Panch Pandavas had stayed while they were in exile. और थोड़ा सा हम गुम हो गए थे because it's very foggy और बारिश continuously हो रही है. After quite a walk, we finally found our way back. अभी हम लोग enjoy कर रहे हैं some Maggi with some गर्मा गर्म अदरक की चाय. And yeah, let's see इसके आगे क्या होता है.
ये जो हिल स्टेशन पे हम लोग आते हैं, वन ऑफ द अट्रैक्शंस इज दिस स्मॉल फ्रूट बिट्स विच यू गेट. सो एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पर देयर इज वाटरमेलन, देयर इज कैरी, देयर इज पेरू जिसे अमरूद भी कहते हैं, एंड देयर इज दिस आंवला मसाले वाला. सो वी आर नाउ एट द पारसी पॉइंट इन पंचगनी, where you can get the view of the whole lake while enjoying a very sweet watermelon sprinkled with spicy masala. So all these hill stations which you visit, हर हिल स्टेशन का अपना एक यूनिक पॉइंट होता है. वैसे तो काफ़ी सारे पॉइंट्स रहते हैं, सनसेट पॉइंट, सनराइज पॉइंट, टाइगर पॉइंट, मंकी पॉइंट, ये सब आपने सुने रहेंगे. बट एज आई सेड, एवरी हिल स्टेशन हैज़ गॉट वन पॉइंट यूनिक टू इट्स आइडेंटिटी. पंचगनी के अंदर ये जो पारसी पॉइंट है, दैट इज़ वेरी यूनिक and also a symbol that Parsis have contributed a lot to this place. So friends, now we are in the main Mahabaleshwar market. And let us go and see. There are a lot of gaming parlors, there is a lot of place to eat, and we have heard that there are few places which give really good grilled chicken and shawarma. Let's check it out. वड़ा पाव है ना, सिंपलिसिटी में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे वड़े पाव के अंदर इसने कोई और चटनी नहीं डाली है, सिर्फ लहसुन की चटनी है. वड़े की ओरिजिनल टेस्ट बिना पाव की होती है. There is not much of gas in it, little bit more salty, more garlicky, but goes very well. एंड यू नो व्हाट, बहुत सारी जगहों पर है ना, लोग क्या करते हैं वड़े पाव के साथ दे ऑलवेज हैव अ दाल वड़ा एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट आइटम. बट हियर वी सॉ साबूदाना वड़ा. लेट्स सी हाउ डज इट गो. द टेस्ट ऑफ द साबूदाना वड़ा इज गुड, बट बिकॉज इट इज बिकम ठंडा थोड़ा सा सॉगी हो गया. बट वन मोर थिंग आई लर्न टुडे, दैट इट गोज और इट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स वेरी गुड विद द वड़ा पाव.
So we believe that any place is best explored when you walk through it, and we've just stopped at this place called Bagicha. It's very famous for its strawberry and cream and lots of milkshake. देखते हैं हम क्या खाएंगे आज. कुछ डिशेस होती है ना जो देख के मज़ा आ जाता है.
So this is how this has to be mixed before eating. So that all the flavors are mixed from top to bottom. Sweetness does bring happiness in life.
तो चलते चलते वी हैव कम टू द एंड ऑफ द मार्केट एंड देयर इज दिस वन प्लेस जहाँ पे हम बचपन से आ रहे हैं एंड दिस स्मेल जस्ट ड्रॉज यू देयर. इट इज़ कॉल्ड दादा चने वाला एंड इट हैज़ अ वैरायटी ऑफ चनाज एंड फरसान्स एंड व्हाट नॉट. बात बहुत करना चाहती हूँ बट आई कैन नॉट बिकॉज दिस स्मेल इज सो यमी, सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. लेट्स गेट टू द स्टोर नाउ. दे हैव सो मेनी फ्लेवर्स टू चूज फ्रॉम. देयर मसाला, दिस बारबेक्यू, पेरी पेरी, शेजवान, garlic, chaat, pudina, lemon, cheese, tomato, and big chole masala chana also. I'm spoiled for choices. This I'm definitely getting because these are very tasty. And I think I think I should just go with the basic ones because we tasted those and they're yummy. So apart from the chana place that we went to, there are other stores also which are the newer ones and they pack it in like a very fancy way. They also have quite a variety of things. So आप यहाँ पे आओगे तो you'll be spoiled for choices. We are at Meghdut's and we are putting together a dinner. We have taken a half tandoori chicken. They also have shawarma and a very interesting thing, they have a wooden oven for baking pizza.
So here comes our chicken tandoori. स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट के हिसाब से एक्स्ट्रा बटर और ये सब डाल दीजिए. वो ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट करना मत कि सजी सजाई प्लेट मिलेगी, बट यू कैन ऑलवेज. इसका भी देखते हैं कितना टेंडर है मीट. दे हैव गिवन अ चटनी विद इट. So look at tandoori. जो अवे look at the bone. मसाले अंदर तक भरे हुए हैं. A little bit on the spicier side, but very good for the Indian palate. Try it, Meghdut. There are shawarmas also. Do not miss their pizzas. And we'll take you to our next step now.
Good morning, food yadris. So this day has greeted us with lots of mist, lots of fog. As you can see on the road behind, there is little to no visibility at all. And yeah, we are still in Panchgani. Yesterday we explored a lot of Panchgani and we went to the Mahabaleshwar market in the night where we bought quite a few things, where we ate quite a few things जो obviously आप लोगों ने देखा होगा. So today's plan is to explore Mahabaleshwar and there is one very interesting village nearby.
Yeah, so that is called as the Book Village. It is also, the name is Bhilar Village. So we'll be going there, we'll be checking out what's so unique about it. And at the same time, there's a lot more food coming in, more spots to see in and around Mahabaleshwar. So let's get started on this wonderful day. Friends, right now we are on top of the Elephant Head, and this point is also known as the Kate's Point.
What you see behind us over there is the Balkavli Dam. I don't know how visible it is because the fog is really thick right now.
This is the Elephant Head.
Yeah, and over there is the Krishna River which comes in. There's the Balkavli Dam. We'll try to get a clearer picture if we can. for you guys to see. And the view, you can see all the way from Y to Mahabaleshwar. बारिश में गोला नहीं खाया तो फिर क्या मज़ा आया. So along with this stall where we had our gola, there are couple more stalls जहाँ पे आपको मैगी और पकौड़े और छोटे मोटे स्नैक्स वगैरह मिल सकते हैं.
Sandwiches. क्या बोलते हैं?
पानी पूरी, भेल, a lot of things to eat, and there are lots of monkeys around, so be careful whenever you're eating or if you're carrying anything edible.
By the way, क्या बोलते हैं was cotton candy. Cotton candy guys also there.
Yeah.
If your kids want to enjoy them, they're like really big ones. Things are a bit steep. 50 rupees for a gola, and nothing close to our Bombay Zoo gola. But ठीक है, जो मिला. तो हम लोग इको पॉइंट और केट्स पॉइंट से नीचे उतर ही रहे थे. सो ऑन द राइट साइड वी सॉ दिस प्लेस विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज हिल ट्री. दिस प्लेस हैज़ गॉट इट्स ओन थोड़ी स्ट्रॉबेरी प्लांटेशन है. पर हमको यहाँ पे जो चीज़ अच्छी लगी वो थी झुमका भाकर. एक बड़ा सा बोर्ड लगाया हुआ था. नाउ दिस इज़ कॉमन मैन्स फूड इन महाराष्ट्र. दिस इज़ जवारी की रोटी विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज भाकर और भाकरी. एंड दिस इज़ झुमका विच इज़ मेड अप ऑफ बेसन, गीला बेसन की चटनी विच इज़ सर्व विथ ठेचा जो कि मिर्ची की चटनी रहती है, प्याज एंड अचार. ये गीले बेसन की सब्जी, झुमका, भाकर, और ये वेदर के अंदर तो ये मज़ा कर देने वाली चीज़ है. तो अभी हम लोग आए हैं महाबलेश्वर के फेमस महाबलेश्वर मंदिर में. यहाँ पर स्वयंभू शिवलिंग है, तो चलो उनके दर्शन करते हैं. तो अगर आप लोग वीकेंड पर आएंगे या कोई छुट्टी के दिन पर आएंगे तो ये पूरा मेले के जैसा सजा हुआ रहता है, भरा हुआ रहता है. पर आज हम लोग यहाँ पर वीकडे पर है तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा खाली है. दिस इज़ द वे टुवर्ड्स दिस एंशिएंट वेरी ओल्ड टेम्पल, जिसके कारण महाबलेश्वर का नाम महाबलेश्वर पड़ा है. As you can see, एक बहुत ही प्राचीन मंदिर है. अंदर फोटोग्राफी अलाउड नहीं है, एंड रिस्पेक्टिंग दैट वी हैव नॉट टेकन एनी फोटोग्राफ्स और एनी वीडियो. बट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड इटसेल्फ द टेम्पल लुक्स सो गुड, एंड यू कैन एक्चुअली सी बिहाइंड मी the hard black stone which it is made up of. And if you will see inside also, the architecture is बहुत पुराना architecture है. There's a good view which we can get from there. Let's check it out. तो जो शिवलिंग पर जो पानी चढ़ाते हैं या जो दूध चढ़ाया जाता है वो यहाँ से बाहर आता है. और जब मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ कि ये प्राचीन मंदिर है, करीब 4,500 साल पुरानी इसकी हिस्ट्री है. सो आप महाबलेश्वर मंदिर से थोड़ा ऊपर चलेंगे तो आपको ये पंचगंगा मंदिर मिलेगा. यहाँ पर 5 नदियों का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट कहा जाता है, जैसे कि कृष्णा, कोयना, वैना, भागीरथी और सावित्री. तो ऐसे कहा जाता है कि हर 12 वर्ष में एक बार, once in every 12 years, Bhagirathi comes and meets in the Krishna river, and once in 60 years, the Savitri Nadi comes and meets with the Krishna river. महाबलेश्वर मंदिर के एकदम सामने अतिबलेश्वर मंदिर है. तो ऐसे मान्यता थी कि 2 राक्षस थे, एक महाबल और एक अतिबल. ये दोनों का संहार जब हुआ था तो दोनों के नाम पर एक मंदिर बना हुआ है.
So we are now at the Vena Lake, which is one of the main tourist attractions in Mahabaleshwar. It's a huge lake, और currently तो off season because of the rain नहीं तो you can enjoy boating, you can enjoy horse riding, plus there is a play area, amusement park type of thing जहाँ पे आपके पास Ferris wheels and a lot of rides. So yeah, if you come in season you have lots to enjoy. हमारी तरह ऑफ सीजन में भी आओगे तो the view will surely make for it. We are at Sydney Point right now, and as most points do, it gives us a panoramic view of the entire valley. I can see River Krishna and houses and everything. Now the interesting point is right over there on that corner is Kate's Corner, which is in Mahabaleshwar. A little further when you come this way, you will have your Parsi Point, which is where Panchgani starts from. Then over there, that flat region that you see over there is Tableland, जहाँ हम कल गए थे. And now I am at Sydney Point. So Sydney Point is about 4,000 feet above sea level, and it gives you a view of the Krishna River, which you could have also seen from the other points. And yeah, कल Tableland पे we had meditated because the place is very green, very quiet, and this place also seems like it. खाने पीने का यहाँ पे इतना कुछ दिख नहीं रहा. But yeah, it gives you a good view, and it's very peaceful. All I can hear is the raindrops and a few birds. So I'll take some time and meditate, and I'll see you guys soon. Bhilar, which is about 3 kilometers from Panchgani, and this place has a very interesting name. It is known as Pustakansa Gaon, which translates to village of books. So apparently this entire village is dedicated to books or something like that. We have stopped here. It says Kavita. Let's find out what it is about, and you guys talk with me. So each house in this village has a theme, and they stock books related to the theme. I'm in a house whose theme is Kavita, meaning poems. So they have lots of books around that, and they're very interesting ones. Like this one is Ghalib's Shairis in Marathi, and so many more. So yeah, this is a great initiative, and you can just go to any house and ask them for books to read, and people being so warm, they'll offer you tea, coffee. It's an amazing way to start a conversation, understand the culture, and obviously read a lot of books. पूरा दिन पंचगनी, महाबलेश्वर and now Bhilar घूम के we're so hungry. So we found this place called Satka Chinese and Fast Food. It's right at the entry of Bhilar. And what are we having?
So we are having this chicken chili here. Sometimes this, what do you say, Indianized chicken chili अपने देसी स्टाइल में बना हुआ अच्छा लगता है. This guy has just fried those chicken pieces also. So they are crispy. Taste is pretty normal what you get on these smaller joints. But हम फूड यात्री हैं, जहाँ जाएंगे वहाँ खाना तो ढूंढेंगे. इसका चिकन चिली हमको इतना पसंद आया, तो हमने कहा चलो इसकी राइस भी ट्राई की जाए. अगेन देसी स्टाइल उस तरह का था, साथ में शेजवान सॉस भी दिया. ऐसे मौसम में ऐसे गर्मा गर्म देसी चाइनीज़ की बात ही कुछ और है. Cheers. And ऐसे हमारे 2 दिन जो महाबलेश्वर पंचगनी में बीते. If you are having around 3 days, एक दिन आप रिलैक्स भी कर सकते हैं. It's very good weather. Now it's starting from October, November till February, March. You will have very good weather. And strawberry season is starting. So please do visit, and hope this video is useful to you during your visit there.
And if it is, do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Like our video, subscribe to our channel, because उसी से हमें भी खुशी मिलती कि our family is growing. And do not forget to hit the notification bell.
घंटी का बटन
बिल्कुल मत भूलना. And yeah, we'll see you with more such videos. Tell us in the comments how do you like. अगर आपको